uncertainty looms large over what awaits next as far as India-Pakistan relations are concerned. Team CNN News 18 has managed to reach a point which is very close to the line of control. We are about 4 kilometers away from the LOC, and here we spotted one long-range patrol from the Border Security Force. A long-range patrol essentially in these heights, which is about 14,000 feet at sea level. That's the height of this particular peak. These Border Security Force personnel are doing a long-range patrol, keeping a close eye on the line of control, looking for any movement across the LOC. We have been reporting consistently how on the other side of the LOC, Pakistan has ramped up its military presence as far as its army is concerned, as far as its air force is concerned. They've really ramped up, but on our side also you can see forces have been strengthened. This is a long-range patrol of the Border Security Force. Beyond this, about 4 kilometers as the crow flies, starts the LOC. Most parts of the LOC in this region are not fenced, and this is a very avalanche-prone area. The slope, if you see in these parts, is about 30 to 60 degree, which means that if an avalanche hits, it will be a matter of life and death. But they're still taking that risk and keeping an eye on the entire line of control. On further ahead, on the forward post, of course, is the Indian Army, but the BSF men are dominating this particular stretch where we are present. I told you it's about 30 to 60 gradient. That's the slope. There are at least 4 infiltration routes in this area. And how difficult is it to walk here? I'm standing steadily at one place, but 1 foot forward and it just sinks. It just sinks deep inside. It's difficult to put your feet in these slopey areas and move ahead. So you can't take a sense, the way I'm sinking. It's not easy to move around in these parts. And like I said, there are 4 infiltration routes also that often Pakistan, Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Toiba have used to send in their terrorists. What has happened in Pahalgam, it's also suspected that the terrorists crossed over from Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and came here. POK, as the crow flies, is just 4 kilometers from here, and they are keeping an eye to ensure that there are no launch pads which are now used to send the terrorists here. BSF, Indian Army, CRPF, Jammu and Kashmir Police, they are all doing all that they can to ensure that the evil designs of Pakistan are defeated. The way I'm getting breathless while speaking tells you that the air is also pretty thin here. One of the various challenges that our men in uniform are facing. With Guneet Singh Vedi from the other line of control, this is Arunima.